Welcome back. In today's video, we'll show you how to find deleted items and trash location on your Android phone. Let's say you delete a file and your phone showed a message saying that the file was moved to the trash or recycle bin. Now, you may be wondering where you can find the deleted file or where the trash is located. From the trash, you can permanently delete all your files if you want. You can also restore a file and get it back, or simply view all the trash files that are currently in the trash section. So, in this video, we'll show you the entire process step by step. Make sure to watch the video from beginning to end so you don't miss any important steps. So, let's get started. First, swipe up your home screen to open the app drawer. Use the search bar and type files. Once you found the file app, tap to open it. After the app is open, scroll down. You can see the trash or recycle bin option. Tap on it to open the menu. Here you will be able to see all the files that you have deleted. Keep in mind that this file will be permanently deleted after 30 days. The file I deleted were deleted today, so I still have 30 days before they are permanently removed. If you want, you can tap the select option in the top right corner, then select the file you want to manage one by one. You can select a single file or multiple files at the same time. After that, depending on what you need, you can restore the file and get them back, or you can permanently delete them right away. The choice is completely up to you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.